Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk you through the process of editing your location on X, formerly known as Twitter. Updating your location can help your followers know where you are, or where you're tweeting from. Let's get started. First, launch the X app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile settings. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon. Tap your profile picture or the navigation menu icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile overview. Now that you're on your profile page, tap on Profile. This will show you all the details associated with your account, including your current location. Next, it's time to tap Edit Profile. This option allows you to modify various elements of your profile, including your location settings. Once you're in the edit mode, look for the Location field. Tap on it to make your changes. You can enter a new location or update your existing one to reflect where you currently are. After you've made your changes, don't forget to tap Save at the top right corner of the screen. This will ensure that your new location is updated on your profile. And that's it. You've successfully edited your location on X. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.